Anyway, Direk, if you may share on screen yan. Gaya po ng nasabi ni Doc Rachel, no? Ito po ay empowered consumerism. Ang dami nagtatanong, bakit nga ba empowered consumerism? Next, Doc, ako ang aming gusto sabihin sa inyo, this is your new hope, new beginning, and in the new normal. No? Bagong pag-asa, bagong simula sa nangyayari ngayon. Bakit kamo? Kasi ang empowered consumerism, Direk, please, yan, ang empowered consumerism will help you, will help you turn your liabilities into asset. Ano yun? Ibig sabihin, yung mga pinagkakagastosan nyo, magiging pagkakakitaan. Yung expenses mo, pwede mong pagkakitaan. Tapos yung mga ginagawa nyo araw-araw, Direk, ay Doc, yung ginagawa nyo araw-araw, yung mga kinukonsume, ginagamit, binibili, iniinom, kinakain, pinapahid, ay pwede mong pagkakitaan.
Nako, napaka-interesting naman talaga niyan, 'di ba Sir Adrian? Just imagine po natin, no, yung mga gastos, gagawin po natin pagkakitaan. Ako, paano po ba namin gagawin 'yan, Sir Adrian? Siyempre, lahat ng tao ngayon gumagastos. Gusto namin din kumikita kami sa paggastos namin. Paano po ba namin gagawin 'yan, Sir Adrian?
Yan, itong empowered consumerism is a platform that empower you. Yan, from turning yung mga gastos po natin, katulad pong itong nagsisimula. Kanina nabanggit ko po, activity such as yung ginagawa mo palagi. Yan, di ba? Kayo nagpo-post sa Facebook, nag-online, nag-YouTube. Wala namang masama dyan, pero mas maganda po kung pinagkakitaan natin yan. Kasi araw-araw ginagawa natin at majority ng tao nasa online. Ang tanong, gusto mo lang bang makita sa online o gusto mong nakita at kumikita ka? Di ba? Yan yun.
Mas maganda yung sir, yung second choice, no? Nung nakita ka na, kumikita ka pa. Mas gusto ko yun.
Oo, Doc, ito yung lagi ko sinasabi, hindi lang kwento. Dapat nagkukwenta ka at the end of the day, di ba? Nagkwento ka at the end of the day, dapat may kinukwenta ka no? At the end of the day, you heard me right. Ibig sabihin, pwede po kayong kumita daily. So how about earning from while you shop? Di ba? Lahat ng tao bumibili, Doc, I'm sure.
Yes,
damit,
of course.
Pampalakas, pampanligo, pampaputi, no? Everybody, no? Coffee. So, ang tagal na natin ginagawa ang pagsashop o pamimili. However, tayo po ba kumikita doon? It's about time. Kumita tayo, ma-empowered, no? Hindi lang yung consumer ka. Kasi consumer tayo, whether we like it or not, Doc, di ba? Consumer tayo. Pero, paano po maging empowered consumer? Like itong nakita nyo, Doc, nakita nyo ba yan? Yung vitamins and medicines, di ba? For the last 6 months, hindi nga 6 months very intense nung the last 6 months, pero it started nung December to 2019, Doc, na talagang pinaglaanan natin, no? Kahit ayaw natin, we have to buy vitamins and medicines because of what's happening around us. We have to make our immune system strong, so we'll be protected. So whether we like it or not, may pera ka o wala, we will buy vitamins and medicines. Now, what's good with the pharmaceutical, with the pharmacy and drugstores? It is available, no? We can buy it. In fact, we've been buying medicines and vitamins for the last several years. Matagal na po. At maganda naman dito, pwede nyo sabihin, hindi lang naman kami consumer when we buy in drugstores. In fact, binibigyan kami ng rebates at minsan may sukli pa dahil may mga points, di ba? So, okay. Tama, Doc. Pero however, those rebates and points that you can get from the pharmacy or drugstores, you have no choice but to buy it also from them. Di ba gagamitin mo yung pera at points from them? Mas maganda na yung meron kang points, may rebates ka, pera talaga, which you have choice to buy it from buy other things, di ba, Doc?
Yes.
Ayan. So ano nga ba yan? So sino bang aayaw dito? Yan po somehow yung bumubuo sa platform o yung sinasabi nating industriya ng empowered consumerism. Direct, if you may show the next slide, please. Yan, empowered consumerism is again to remind you, will enable you, will give you a chance, okay? Ang ibig sabihin po ng empowered consumerism, empowering you, is will give you a chance whether whoever you are, kahit nasan po kayo, regardless of what's happening around you. Ano man ang nangyayari sa kapaligiran mo, whether MECQ, GCQ, okay, pwede mo pagkakitaan. Di ba? Yung ating mga...
yan.
Yan. O yung expenses, magiging income, yung mga ginagawa mo na palagi. Kaya hindi mahirap direct, Doc direct tuloy ako ng direct. Doc, kaya hindi mahirap kasi ginagawa na natin. Bonus na lang to kasi yung ginagawa mo, itutuloy lang, tapos magkakaroon, pero ka pang chance, kumita ng malaki. Now, allow me to share with you paano po. So, ang kailangan nyo lang pong gawin, ganito. Next slide, please. Join the empowered economy. Ito pong ekonomiya na to, it's been existing. Ito pong empowered consumerism, itong ekonomiya ng connecting, sharing, helping, has been existing in the Philippines for 14 years, tapos in other countries, 8-10 years. Okay? Kailangan nyo lang po maging part kayo ng ekonomiya ng empowered consumerism. Paano? So, ganito lang po yan. All you have to do is own, buy, shop, or switch brand. Own try, share. Okay? Our effective products. Okay? Now, pwede nyo sabihin, paano mo naman nasabi, how would we know that those products are effective and efficient? Ay, nako. We are all blessed tonight or tonight, this morning, because I am with the person in authority. Kaya nga po, banggit ako ng banggit. Doc, okay. Doktora po ang kasama ko. Siya po ang mag-explain at mag-attest na talagang maganda ang mga products at ang proven at maganda ang mga products ng empowered consumerism. Kaya, wag po kayong so, I'll leave the floor to no other than one of our doctors, Dr. Rachel Manguera.
Yes! Nako, maraming salamat, Sir Adrian, for that, no? So, let me share with you my slide. Okay, so gaya nga po ng sinabi po ng ating partner for this afternoon, Sir Adrian, na talaga naman po tayo, karaniwan naman po ginagawa natin for the past years of our lives. We've been shopping these products actually, but the question is, doon po ba sa mga pagbili po natin na yan, ay kumita ka na po ba, di ba? So, yun po yung gusto nating i-emphasize dito po in empowered consumerism. When you do buy, when you do shop in empowered consumerism, sabi nga po ni Sir Adrian, di ba, let's switch brand, no? Kasi nga yung mga brand na binibili naman po natin dati, sabi nga po ni Sir Adrian, hindi naman tayo kumikita dyan. But when you do shopping in empowered consumerism, grabe. Sabi nga po, yung mga liabilities mo na yan, ako po, gagawin po nating assets yan. Ako, your daily expenses for you to earn, no? Bakit nga po ba? Di ba sabi ni Sir Adrian, one way to do that, of course, is to shop in empowered consumerism with our products, of course. Syempre nga, ang next question mo, bakit ba yung mga products sa empowered consumerism ang dapat naming bilhin? Ngayon, ito na po ipapaliwanag po natin. Ipapakilala ko po sa inyo yung mga products po natin dito sa empowered consumerism. And the first part is the nutritional supports product of our company. Let's start with discussing our C24/7. Okay, the C24/7 actually contains approximately 22,000 phytonutrients. Just imagine this phytonutrients. Ito po yung mga nagbibigay ng kalakasan sa ating immune system because they are the formulation, kaya po madaming antioxidants sa katawan po natin, no? So, ayang mga phytonutrients po niyan. Ano nga po yung antioxidants, Doktora? O yun nga yung sinabi ko, di ba, nagpapalakas ng ating immune system. So, since the pandemic started, talaga naman pong lahat ay nagkakaroon po talaga na araw-araw uminom po ng mga pampalakas ng resistensya ng katawan. Tama po ba? Bakit? Kasi kapag ka malakas po ang ating immune system, kapag ka po malakas ang ating resistensya, nako, bihira po tayong magkakasakit. And the thing is, when you do get disease also, pero wag naman po sana, di ba? From simple colds, nako, to serious diseases such as cancers, nako po, basta po malakas ang ating immune system, you can rest assured that your body can cure itself kasi nga malakas ang iyong immune system, no? Saan po ba nanggaling ang phytonutrients po na nanggaling po dito sa ating C24/7? Actually, grabe po, kung makikita nyo po dito, it contains 29 vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals, 18 amino acids, 4 linen, 2 whole fruit juice blend, 2 wild whole vegetable blend, 12 mushrooms, 12 digestive enzymes, 12 herbs and specialty nutrients, essential fatty acids, 5 anti-aging, may 4 longevity Filipinos. Alam niyo po ba yung mga sinabi ko na yan? Ay, nako, kung i-total niyo po, 100 ingredients po yan. Yes, ganun po siya kadami. Kaya ganun po naman talaga siya ka-powerful na mapalakas ang ating immune system. And grabe po, for the past 14 years that empowered consumerism is in the market, we have so many testimonies with the use of our product. No? Pero syempre, hindi lang yun ang product natin. We also have what we call the complete. No? Actually, this complete product, para siyang kakambal ng ating C24/7 because almost all of the ingredients of our C24/7 is as the same with our complete, but our complete contains 16,000 phytonutrients. Bakit po mas konti? Kasi po ito walang anti-aging and longevity polyphenols na nandun sa C24/7 natin kanina kasi po hindi po lahat pwede kasing uminom noon. So ang mas maganda po makagamit po ng complete yung mga buntis, nagpapasuso, mga kababaihan, may mga sakit sa kanilang reproductive system, may sakit sa dugo, may problem with their thyroid, kidney, liver as well. Below 18 years old, complete din po yung inire-recommend natin, no? So for those also who are taking blood thinners as their maintenance, and also those who are taking contraceptive pills, no, with autoimmune diseases, complete din po yung nire-recommend natin po sa kanila. We also have a product here, what we call the Colidose. This is an Omega Supreme fatty acids wherein this is a 1,000 milligram fish oil wherein it contains the omega-3, which we all know good for the heart. Also contains the DHA, which is good for the brain, for the eyes also, no? So, napakadami pong function ng Colidose sa ating katawan. Pinapababa ang pagkakasakit sa puso. Naku po, pinapaganda ang blood circulation. Good for the health of the eyes and the brain also. Kaya naman po, sigurado ka magiging healthy ka rin when you use. Pati po yung mga high blood, naku, good for you din po ang Colidose. Kaya naman sobrang beneficial po ang paggamit po ng Colidose po natin. We also have here the Restore Life. Okay, so as you can see here, it has the resveratrol, which we consider as one of the longevity polyphenols. Ano po bang sabihin ng longevity? Pampahaba ng buhay. So, lahat naman tayo sa buong mundo, gusto natin kumaba yung buhay natin. Tama po ba? One way to do that, nako, gamit na po tayo ng ating Restore Life. And of course, not the only adults should be healthy each and every day. Also, the kids out there, mga bata saka ating mga tahanan, kailangan maging healthy rin po sila. And we do also have products for our kids wherein we call this as Kiddy 24/7. Actually, this is a Nutragami candy. Candy po ito na malambot, parang gelatin, no? So, bakit po ba kailangan ng kabataan nito? Kasi it contains 14 vitamins and minerals. Wow! Napakadami po ng vitamins at minerals po na yan. Kailangan ba ng bata yan? Yes! It also contains 26 fruits and vegetables. As we all know, these fruits and vegetables, nako, karaniwan talaga hindi naman po nakakain ng mga kabataan po natin. Tama po ba? But when they eat our Kiddy 24/7 Nutragami candies, nako, lahat ng 26 fruits and vegetables po na yan, makakain po nila in just a candy. No? So grabe naman po, napaka-healthy naman po talaga kapag ang mga kabataan po natin sa bahay ay papakainin din po natin ng ating Kiddy 24/7. And we also have here what we call nutritional cosmeceuticals product. We have here White Light. Okay, White Light is the first sublingual glutathione spray in the market. Why? Because glutathione usually is given to our body through injection, tablets, no? Ipinapahid po sa balat, pero ito po ini-spray lang sa ilalim ng dila. Naku, may good news po ko sa inyo. Kasi karaniwan po ang alam ng tao sa glutathione, pangpaputi, yes. But the main function of glutathione in our body, it is a detoxifier. So when we say detoxifier, tagalinis po ng katawan po natin yan, no? So may kasama pa siyang vitamin C. Talaga namang sigurado ka, puputi ka na, magiging healthy ka pa. And we also have here what we call Perfect White. Okay, what is Perfect White? Actually, this Perfect White has a natural Botox effect. So, pag sinabi po natin Botox, naku, alam na po natin, babatakin ang balat natin, diba? So, it can make you younger, 10 to 20 years old. Wow! Gusto niyo po ba yun? Hindi lang yan, may pampaputi ka, pati mga wrinkles po natin tatanggalin. And it has also so many health benefits wherein we are discussing this deeply in our product training alone, no? Okay, so aside from this, we also have functional beverages. We have the My Choco, and we also have the Leven Coffee. The My Choco is an alkaline chocolate drink, while the Leven Coffee is an alkaline coffee. So what's nice about these two beverages of our company is that this contains 1/3 capsule of our complete. So as you can see earlier, that we were able to show you that this complete has 16,000 phytonutrients, meaning that if you drink these beverages of ours, grabe, aba, magiging healthy ka pa, di ba? And what's nice also about the Mind Choco, it also contains the DHA. As we all know, DHA is also a very good a component of our brain. Kaya naman po, ini-improves po yung mga cognitive skills ng mga kabataan din po natin. But this DHA is not only good for children, but also we as adults to prevent different neurological disorders. Sabi nga po, di ba, prevention is better than cure, di ba? Okay, so we also have burn products here wherein it burns out the fats in our body, lalo na po yung mga matataba dyan, lalo na po ngayong pandemic, ang dami naman talagang lumobo ang katawan. O, bato-bato sa langit, wag kayong magagalit, diba? Okay, sabi nga po, ang burn is the body under right nutrition. So we have the Burn Slim. Actually, this Burn Slim is a tablet form wherein you're gonna take this 30 minutes before meal. Okay, you can take this in the morning, lunch, or in the dinner time, no? O, aside from that, we also have the Burn Meal Replacement Shake. Okay, this you're gonna be replacing your meal with this shake. Actually po, shake po ito, no? So you have to mix 1 sachet of this in 1 glass of water. Cookies and cream ang flavor po nito. Samahan mo lang ng prutas. Naku po, kompletong-kompleto na po yung iyong pagkain for that moment. Hindi mo na kailangan kumain ng kanin pa. We have also the Live and Burn Coffee. Grabe, nagkakape ka lang. Pwede ka nang maging macho at sexy. Meron pa rin tayo dito, tinatawag nating Burn Mate Iced Tea. We're in. This is a slimming tea. What's nice about our Burn products, it contains so many ingredients we're in. It can lessen up your satiety wherein babawasan po yung gana po natin sa pagkain, pero kakain ka pa rin naman because you will be having that feeling of fullness, no? Pero even if you have that feeling of fullness, sabi ko nga po, kakain ka pa rin naman. Pero still, kahit hindi ka makakakain ng madami, you will be still on a good mood because this products of ours contains what we call the saterial, wherein it increases our serotonin hormone na nagkakaroon ng happy feeling po yung katawan po natin. Grabe, pumapayad ka na, hindi nakakakain na madami, pero masaya pa rin. Aba, napakaganda naman po pala niyan. Yes, of course. We also have cardioceuticals products wherein these are good for the heart, of course. Okay, so let's start with a Vida drink. Okay, our Vida drink is being mixed, well, the 1 sachet is being mixed in 2 glasses of water. Iinumin po natin yan, no? Hindi naman biglaan, no? So dahan-dahan lamang. So what is the effect of this drinking the Vida juice or the Vida drink, no? It has a vasodilating effect. Ano po ba yung vasodilation, Doktora? Okay, pagbuka ng ugat po natin na mas maganda. Bakit? Kapag mas maganda po ang pagbuka ng ugat, wherein dito po dumadaloy ang mga nutrients at ang mga oxygen. Meaning, kapag mas maganda yung pagbuka, maganda rin ang daloy ng dugo, nutrition, and oxygen sa buong katawan natin. Kaya tayo po ay mas healthy, di ba? Aside from that, it also improves the metabolism. Kaya po ito ginagamit din po, no? Ina-advise din po natin for those who are obese out there, no? So maganda rin po ito para mapabilis yung metabolism po ng katawan po natin. Aside from that, we also have here what we call the VitaMax. Actually, the Vida drink and the VitaMax has the same effect of vasodilation. But the thing is, our VitaMax is a capsule form. Okay, and aside from being a capsule, it also contains what we call fruit flow, wherein this is a water-soluble tomato-based concentrate, wherein it prevents aggregation of platelets. Ibig sabihin, pinaprevent niya po magdikit-dikit ang mga platelets natin. Bakit po kailangan i-prevent ito? Kasi kapag po nangyayari po iyan, dahil sa stress, unhealthy lifestyle, cholesterol, high blood pressure, nako, maaari po itong magbara sa mga ugat po natin. And of course, when it happens to your heart attack, and it happens to your brain, there is a stroke. So, ayaw po natin lahat yan. Sabi nga natin, prevention is better than cure. Naku, napakarami rin po testimony nitong Vida po natin na to, that they can sleep very well with the use of our product. Kasi nga naman, nagkakaroon ng vasodilation, mas maganda ang daloy, blood flow sa ating brain, kaya mas relax po tayo, no? And aside from that, we also have the CardioPulse. Actually, this CardioPulse is actually a gadget, but we are not selling this this gadget, what we are selling here is the service that it makes, where it can detect the condition of our blood vessels kung may mga pangangapal na ba ng cholesterol yan, no? So, kailangan nating malaman ito para matanggal po natin yan. Paano po natin tatanggalin? Nako, we have so many products wherein we can advise for you to use para matulungan ka namin matanggal ang mga cholesterol po na to. Kasi kapag dyan, matigas, lumilit ang talo yan ng dugo hanggang sa magsara, ayaw din po natin yan. So, you have to know the condition of your blood vessels with the use of our CardioPulse. Okay, we also have here the Natural Essentials product, wherein these are the personal hygiene products of our company. Of course, nako, ang mga kalalakihan, ang mga kababaihan, kailangan po naghuhugis tayo ng ating private part, di ba? Para po maiwasan siyempre ang mga tinatawag nating mga sakit katulad ng UTI, di ba? And what's nice about our product, they are all natural, so very safe for our body. And we also have the herbal toothpaste. Grabe, toothpaste na lamang po natin. Just imagine, we were able also to put are complete in this toothpaste. So just imagine, even brushing your teeth, yung oral mucosa natin o yung mga balat sa loob ng bibig natin, naku, i-absorb po yung mga nutrients na nandito sa ating complete, no? And aside from that, it also contains other natural ingredients wherein it has an antibacterial, antiseptic, no? Antiviral, antifungal, kasi po isa po sa pinakamaduming bahagi ng katawan natin ang bibig natin. So we have to brush it properly with the right toothpaste, and that is our herbal toothpaste. And we also have here the deep cleansing and whitening bar soap, wherein it has 2 ingredients. The first one is the whitening ingredients, which is the orange part of the soap, wherein it contains 8 ingredients na makakapagpaputi sa'yo. Other soap contains only 1, 2, 3, grabe, yung sa atin po 8. Kaya you can rest assured, mas mabilis kang pumuti kapag itong sabon na to ang ginamit mo. Sabi ko nga, 2 ang kanyang ingredients. The other one is the cleansing ingredients, which is the black part of the soap. Bakit ba siya naging black? Because it contains bamboo charcoal, wherein it can detoxify. Again, tagalinis, deodorize, nagtatanggal ng baho. Meron pang peppermint essential oil, may refreshing effect, anti-aging pa. Nako, saan ka naman nakakita ng sabon na pinapaputi ka na, nililinis na ang katawan mo, tinatagal pa yung baho, tapos pababatain ka pa? Yes po, deep cleansing and whitening bar soap lang ang makakagawa po yan. And we also have skincare products here. Of course, these also naturals. We have the coffee scrub plus mask. This coffee scrub is only used for our body. Okay, so sinusunog po yung mga taba sa ilalim po ng balat natin, pinapaganda pa yung ating blood circulation. We also have here the strawberry scrub face and body. So meaning you can use this in your face and also to our body, no? So it serves as a cleanser. May whitening ingredients din po siya. We also have the instant white face and body lotion. Normally lotions are hand and body only, but our lotion, again, it's a face and body lotion because all the ingredients here are all naturals, which are safe also for the skin of our face. So just imagine, it also contains tomato extract, wherein even if you're exposed to sunlight, you will be protected from the UV rays. Aside from that, kahit nakabilit ka na sa araw, pinapaputi ka pa niya, di ba? And we also have here what we call the antioxidant facial toner. After you were able to cleanse your skin with the use of our strawberry scrub face and body, naku po, dito pa lamang tayo magto-toner ha. So hindi po cleanser ang ating toner. Pagkatapos po mag-cleanse ng ating balat, saka lang tayo magto-toner. What's nice about this? It contains all naturals also, which will not be so harmful in our skin. And aside from that, we also have the oxygen bar soap, wherein it contains also the Lumen 8 Derma Complex. 8 ingredients din na nakakapagpaputi. Aside from that, may omega light pang paputi na naman. Ano pa, nakakasmooth na ng ating skin. May anti-aging din po siya. So napakaganda naman po talaga ng mga skincare products po natin, di ba? We also have here what we call the Eye Protect 24/7, wherein this is a carrier necklace. And we also have what we call the Eye Protect Home, where dito naman po dinidikit sa mga pader kahit saan. So pwede po siyang ilagay, no? So it contains actually inside what we call the Eye Protect Packet, no? So the white here, so you can see here the white. inside. So ano po ba ang meron dyan? Actually, this contains minerals, no? And one of these minerals is what we call the chlorine dioxide, wherein for the past, no, it has a 30-year clinical research. So just imagine, it was really proven that the minerals inside the iProtect 24/7 and the iProtect Home, ano po ba ang ginagawa? It emits, no? So may naglalabas po dito, no? Yung mga minerals po na yon naglalabas ng amoy, o yung tinatawag nating fumes, and it creates 1 to 2 meter green zone around you. Ibig sabihin, mula sa pagkakasuot mo sa kanya, 1-2 metro, yung mga dinadala ng hangin ng mga mikrobyo sa paligid mo, papatayin niya within seconds, including the coronavirus. Yes. No? So kaya naman po sobrang in demand ng mga products po natin na to ngayon. No? Okay, so aside from that also, we also have here what we call Curelift. Actually, this is a thermal relief patch. No? Idinidikit po ito sa mga bahagi ng katawan po natin na may masakit. No? So what's nice? All naturals ang ingredients. 9 naturals ingredients wherein it also uses what we call the nano diamond technology na pagkadikit pa lang sa balat po natin, naku, bubuksan ng pores, i-absorb, no, up to the deeper layers of your skin yung mga ingredients niya. Kaya naman, napakadaling mabilis matanggal ang pananakit ng katawan natin. Again, they are natural, so very safe again for our body. And we also have here the energy pendant, okay? So again, it's a necklace, so the one that I'm also using here right now. And we also have here the energy diffuser. This is a sticker form naman po. So what does this product do? Actually, there's so many harmful electromagnetic radiation around us coming from different appliances, coming from different gadgets. And aside from that, yung sunlight, may mga radiation din po yan. You will be protected from these radiations when you use our energy pendant and energy diffuser. But aside from that, grabe po, it also increases our immune system. Mabilis ang cell renewal ng balat. Binabalik ang natural balance ng katawan. Pinapalakas ang stamina, endurance. At ito po ay galing pa sa technology coming from the USA. And what's nice also about these products, grabe po, nako, lifetime ang gamit kasi ang mga produkto po na ito hindi na i-expire. Okay, so aside from this, we also have gadgets here, what we call NUYU H2 and Ultra H2. What you're going to do with these gadgets, lalagyan lang po natin sila ng processed water, mineral, distilled, purified, no? So, yung mga tubig po na to, ilalagay natin dito, no, i-generate natin, i-convert niya yung mga simpleng tubig na to to become a hydrogen-rich water. And for the past years, no, there are so many, not actually many, thousands and thousands of clinical studies have been shown that this hydrogen-rich water was able to also help our body to have a strong immune system. So sabi ko nga po, napakadaming mga clinical research na po, kahit po research yan, no? So, lagay mo, clinical studies regarding hydrogen-rich water, talaga naman napakadami na pong natulungan nitong tubig po na madami ang hydrogen, talagang pinapalakas din po yung ating immune system. And this product is good for all. Kahit si baby, pwede pong uminom ng tubig po natin na to, no? Okay, so ang NUYU H2, ini-spray po sa balat. Ito naman pong Ultra H2 po natin, iniinom po natin yan, no? Okay, so aside from that, we also have here products Angel E. So ano po ba yung Angel E? Actually, this product is only good for women. Okay, take note again, sino lang po ang gagamit? For women only, 20 years old and above may use already this product. Ano po ba ang benepisyong makukuha po naming mga kababaihan dyan? Grabe oh, anti-aging. Aba, lahat naman tayo, ayaw tumanda. Gusto lahat din pumuti. Increases the collagen para manatiling batak ang balat natin. Tinatagal mga scars, blemishes. Naku po, ano pa. Yung mga may problema sa dysmenorrhea dyan. May mga problema sa kanilang menstrual cycle. Makakatulong din po ito sa inyo. Ano pa? For those who are having already signs and symptoms of peri, and postmenopausal syndrome. So ano po ba yung mga nararamdaman ng mga tao na magme-menopause na at menopause na? Ayan. Naku po, mainitin ang ulo, pagpapawis, hindi makatulog sa gabi, vaginal dryness, no? So lahat po yan mai-improve natin when you use our Angel E. Take note, 20 years old and above, not only for menopause people, ha? Okay po. So aside from that, we have the latest and the newest product here in the market. No, we have launched this actually very recently, last September 14. This product is already available on all PCOs and branches nationwide. So this is what we call the C Supreme. Okay, ano po ba yung C Supreme po na yan? Actually, this is an ascorbic acid. Okay, so how does C Supreme increases the absorption and retention? Because this C Supreme of ours differs from the ascorbic acid na meron tayo ngayon sa merkado. Bakit po siya naging kakaiba? No, because of the citrus bioflavonoids composition wherein ito po, bioflavonoids po na to ay pinoprotektahan yung vitamin C po sa katawan natin na ma-oxidize, no? So supports also the ability to protect against chronic inflammatory diseases. It also improves our immune system function at mabilis na pinapagaling ang mga sugat po natin. And aside from that, ang isa din po sa laman ng ating C Supreme is what we call the lipid metabolites formula, wherein this lipid metabolites formula allows the ascorbic acid to enter the cells more quickly. Ibig sabihin, kapag mas mabilis siya na-absorb ng cells natin, kaya mas mabilis na nagiging beneficial po sa ating mga cells, di ba? Acting as an ascorbic acid carriers to increase intestinal absorption and tissue distribution of the vitamin C. So as I said earlier, no? So mas mabilis po siyang nadidistribute sa buong katawan, hindi lamang po yan, mas mabilis pang na-absorb. Ayan, sabi nga po dito, enhanced cellular uptake kinetics, no? So, syempre, kaya nga sinabi ko po sa inyo kasi po, ang vitamin C actually is a water-soluble, mabilis na ilalabas sa katawan, sumasama po sa ihi natin. Pero ito pong ating C Supreme is being covered by, being protected by, no? So, papakita ko po sa inyo, ayan, ito po yung itsura po niya. Ito yung ating vitamin C with citrus flavonoids at meron siyang lipid metabolites. Ito po yung lipid metabolites na nagpoprotekta sa ating vitamin C para mas manatili siyang mabilis na ma-absorb ng ating mga cells. Ano pa? Mas matagal na manatili po sa katawan po natin. Kaya naman po sinasabi natin, ito po ay very supreme ang kanyang absorption, very supreme ang kanyang retention, very supreme din ang performance sa katawan po natin, no? So, ginamitan nga po siya na tinatawag nating microencapsulation technology to optimize the long-term stability and to enhance therapeutic effect in our body. So, alam naman po natin, matagal na, di ba? Napakadami talagang benefits ng vitamin C sa ating katawan. But then again, we are expending so much with this vitamin C, pero nako, mas mabilis po pala silang lumabas. But then again, with the use of our C Supreme, grabe po, mas magiging matagal ang retention niya sa katawan natin, kaya mas matagal din ang magiging health benefits natin with the use of our C Supreme, di ba? And we also have here the products wherein you can get this product on SRP price of 888 pesos, and for the distributor's price or those who are part of our empowered consumerism, you're just gonna be buying this product for 588 pesos. So, 60 capsules po in a bottle. Grabe, 60 capsules, di ba? So, ano pa? Naku po, may NPP rin po tayo for those part of already of our empowered consumerism. We have an NPP package wherein it contains 3 C Supreme. Okay, so it only costs you 1,764 and an SRP price of 2,664 pesos. Nakita nyo naman, di ba? Sabi niya, mag-shopping ka. So, nakita nyo po ba na ang pag-shopping po ng mga products po natin, talaga namang, naku, magiging very beneficial for you. So, bakit nga po? Aba, sabi ko nga po dito, sabi po namin kanina pa ni Sir Adrian, that you, a simple consumer, na bibili lang, mag-shopping lang po ng product natin, ang dami mo na benefits na makukuha. Kaya naman po namin sinasabing, you will be empowered, no? So, hindi ka lang basta simpleng mamimili na walang nagiging benepisyo, hindi ka kumikita. But here, in empowered consumerism, ikaw, ordinaryong consumer, ma-empower ka because you will also do the earnings here.
Empowered consumerism.